Hello. It's been a while since I made a video, but I got these Sterilite bins that go under the bed. And as you'll see, this one here, you see it's broken right there. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of banged up. But it had some good wheels on it. I broke two. Hang on, let me get a better angle. Okay, so I got these two Sterilite under the bed containers. This one was broken right here pretty badly, but it had 4 good wheels. 3 of them are gone now because I tried to find on YouTube a way to get these things off. If you just pry them, what you get is a broken wheel. There's a little tab on the back of this. You can see right in there. There's like a little pin that's on the bottom. And if you just try and pry this wheel off, because you want to put it on another bin that's in better condition, but missing a wheel. If you try and pry this thing off, what you get is a broken wheel that sure it fits in, but it also falls out easily. See? So I searched on YouTube for a way to get these wheels off without breaking them, because as you can see, I had 2 unsuccessful attempts there. This bin had 4 good wheels, so that one bad, that one failed. But this one, I succeeded. And this is how I did it. So you get your handy dandy heat gun, heat up a screwdriver on the tip, or you could probably use like might work even better is heat up a X-Acto knife or something like that, a utility knife, and then you use the hot tip to pry and dig the plastic away from the end of the wheel tab, whatever you want to call that, shaft. Enough that so you dig this out so that you can pull the wheel out. And that's what I did. I succeeded. Once you get the wheel out of the other one, they pop in easily to your empty socket. So I'm making this video because I couldn't find anyone else showing how to fix these things, because I got this nice bin a discount because it was missing 2 wheels. And I had this bin that was broken that had wheels, but I ended up ruining 2 trying to figure this out. So I'm making this video so that you can see how to do it, so you don't have to go through the trial and error that I did. Okay, so I've done this wheel. You can see down in there. Hopefully that's visible. I just pried with the hot screwdriver. I pried the plastic away because there's a little groove down there that holds the wheel shaft in place. So then once you get that pried out, this slips out and it's all intact. So now slides in there, and it's just a matter of a quick, let's see if I can do this while holding the camera. And there you go, pops in place, doesn't come out. So that's how you do it. You kind of ruin the old bin, but if you don't care, then that's a good way to do it. Thanks for watching.